Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to apply CSS for logout user and login user separate in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So now we are logout and then you see login or register. So we are going to hide register. Now right click on it and then click on inspect. So first we are going to find out class or ID and then that class or ID we are going to use with body.logged-in or body.logged-out. Now you see class sc underscore layout underscore icon underscore text underscore line 2. So we are going to use it and we are going to hide register for logout user only. Now go to WordPress dashboard in customization section. So we are in customize section. Now paste. Now you see body.logged-in. So this CSS only apply for login user. And then you see, so for logout user, this CSS apply. For login user, this CSS apply. So we added display block, display none. And then you see body.logged-in. And then you see we added our class or ID. If you want, you can add out here. So this CSS for logout, so it's up to you. So just use body.logout or body.logged-in and then after that add your class or ID and then you can add your customization with CSS. So it's up to you and you will find this format in video description or in comment section and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page. Now refresh the page. Now you see register hide using custom CSS. So you can apply this CSS according to your requirement. So you can apply for logout user, login user separately. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.